Tokyo Soul smoked chicken wings. I'm Greg from Stewie's Barbecue, and let me show you how it's done. Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Stewie's Barbecue. Today we're going to do some Tokyo Soul wings. It's a new recipe that I put together. I just recently tried it and it worked out really well. So we'll go over the ingredients as well. I'm doing a trial run today on ketchup wings. Now ketchup is something in Canada that we are accustomed to because we have ketchup chips here in Canada, which I believe is not available in the United States. It's one of my favorite chips that's out there. And there are ketchup wings out there. Certain places sell ketchup wings. I want to try my own. So this is a Colonel's rub, sort of, I guess, that you use on popcorn. It's like a seasoning. And I'm gonna do like 2 wings and just try it out and see how it works. And the rest we're gonna do in the Tokyo Soul. So the Tokyo Soul is my Korean rub. Now, the first episode of Stewie's Barbecue, you can get the ingredients for this if you'd really like to use it. It's in the description. It's also in the video itself. So we're going to rub these up. We're going to put them on pretty heavy coat. I'm not going to use any binder. I don't find you need to with chicken wings, but if you ever wanted to, if you really feel like you needed to, in the past I've just used olive oil is perfect. So let's get these rubbed up and then we're going to put them on the smoker. All right, here we go. Okay, so I've got the Korean rub all over. It looks perfect. So let's see what this ketchup one here looks like, just out of curiosity. See how, oh wow, that is red. All right. This is going to be different. I have no idea if this is going to turn out. This is just a test. It'll be interesting to say the least. That's why I'm only doing 2, so I don't ruin supper. All right, so that's good for them. I have patted the other ones down as well. And then it's going to go on the smoker right now at 300 degrees for about 2 hours. We're looking for an internal temperature of about somewhere between 185 and 195 on each. And then we're going to put them on the barbecue for a little bit and crisp them up on the outside and get them a little blackened. I like my wings tender on the inside with a crispy outside. So this is the way I do my wings, and I'm going to show you that when we get to that point. So let's get them on the smoker right now, and and then in 2 hours we'll check back. So I just put them on, but I realized I forgot to mention the pellets. Now I'm just using a brand that I got from Costco. It's a 4 different type blend, but you can use any type of pellet you want as long as it goes with chicken. All right, we're just at 2 hours and 15 minutes. I checked them at 2 hours. They weren't quite there. Another 15 minutes, got them there. So let's get them off and then onto the barbecue, okay? Okay, so I got them off the barbecue. They're all nice and crisped up. They look good. Some of them got a nice little char on them. So now it's time for the other ingredient, which is the Bacon's Japanese barbecue sauce. This is the sweet honey version, which goes really, really well with this Korean rub. It tastes amazing. Actually, my wife actually commented the last time I made them that it was some of her favorite wings I've ever made. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them on. We're just going to coat them, not float them. Like I don't want a big gravy bowl full of barbecue sauce here. Hi, Sonic. I'll put that in the bloopers. Get down. Did you get him in? Okay. And take 2. So this works really well. I'm going to get this on here, but as I said, we're going to coat them, not float them. We just want a little bit of sauce on them, not floating in the bowl, okay? So just going to go do that. And then I got my little spoon here, and we're just going to mix them around. It smells amazing. I love this barbecue sauce. It is one of my favorites. All right, so let's dump them out. Look at that. Let's try this too. You know, you got to get those little parts that fall off. Oh my God. All right, let's try it. Now, I've had it before, so I know it's pretty good, but let's see how these ones turned out. Wow. They're just tender, juicy. We got that crispiness on the outside. I highly recommend doing them this way. It's my favorite way to do wings. It's a winner every time. I've never actually screwed it up once, to be honest. It just works out so well. Just getting that nice crispiness on the outside plus that tender inside is a perfect mix. All right, now that I devoured that one, it's time to try the experimental ketchup ones. I got one right here. Let's see if it turned out and see if we even got a ketchup taste like ketchup chips. That's what I'm looking for, is that ketchup chip. I mean, the wing itself is perfect, but I don't like that seasoning. It's not good enough. You really don't get that ketchup bite. I think it's just really, it would be great in popcorn. But you know what? That leaves me to, have to venture out and figure out another way to do ketchup. Maybe do my own little rub or something like that. I'm Greg from Stewie's Barbecue, and if you enjoy the video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notifications button if you want to know when we drop our next video, and please hit that like button. Until the next one, I'll see you.